Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins for business. First, research local food safety regulations and obtain necessary permits. Develop a unique selling proposition to differentiate your muffins in the market. Create a comprehensive business plan outlining your startup costs, operational expenses, and pricing strategy. Finally, source high-quality ingredients from trusted suppliers to ensure consistent product excellence. This foundational work is crucial for long-term success. Achieving consistent quality is paramount when baking for business. Standardize your recipes precisely, ensuring every batch tastes identical. Invest in commercial-grade equipment, like a large capacity mixer or convection oven, to handle high volumes efficiently. Implement rigorous hygiene protocols throughout your entire production process to meet health standards. Regularly conduct blind taste tests to continuously monitor and uphold your excellent product quality. Your packaging is the first impression of your delicious muffins. Select attractive, functional packaging that keeps your muffins fresh for several days. Design a memorable brand logo and maintain a consistent visual identity across all materials. Clearly label all ingredients, potential allergens, and nutritional information to inform your customers. Consider using eco-friendly packaging options, as this often resonates positively with today's consumers. Effectively marketing your muffins is key to growing your business. Identify your ideal target audience and understand their purchasing habits. Utilize social media platforms and participate in local farmers markets to reach potential customers directly. Offer enticing samples and special introductory promotions to encourage first-time purchases. Finally, build strong relationships with local cafes or specialty stores for potential wholesale opportunities, expanding your reach significantly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.